check, it's 6:30 AM. So, nakapag-drop na ako ng bags. And nandito tayo sa airport for a special trip. At dadaling ko kayo dun sa trip na yon. And ang clue is, hindi siya basta-basta travel destination. At papatunayan ko sa inyo, it can be a travel destination dito sa Pilipinas.
That's why Butuan is known as the home of the barangays. The boats were manufactured at around 8th to 10th century. The very boat or the boat that you can see right now, it's 1,000 plus years old.
This is actually a seal with an inscription. It's written in Japanese. It's read Budvan or Budvan. So this is one of the pieces of evidence of pre-colonial writing system in the Philippines.
Pasakay na kami sa boat. Iikot kami sa Agusan River. May recruit siya. Perfect timing din kasi pa-sunset na. So, excited na ako sa view. Tara!
Yung old technology ng boat making ng Butuan, gumawa sila ng una, siniwata ng lahi. Pangalawa, Masawahong Butuan. Tapos, nilalayag nila, nakapunta sila ng Singapore. What? Yes! Naglalayag lang po.
They actually traced the travel during the time of trading until going back to the Philippines, and it was successful.
So now, may walking tour sa mga historical houses dito sa Cabadbaran City. Ang galing kasi na-preserve nila yung yung mga houses nila for so long. So tara, samahan niyo kami sa walking tour. So it's day 2 and nagsimula tayo sa mga historical houses dito.
Below was used to be bodegas before. Then it was converted to rooms already. In fact, this floor was raised up. Japanese invaded the south. They stayed here. They stayed here.
The green is greenery. The green is greenery. Ganda, diba? guys, so papunta kami sa Vega Falls. Excited ka na ba?
Here we come, Vega!
Vega, wait for us! Today guys, adventure lang talaga tayo dito sa Vega Falls. May konting trek pero feeling ko kaya naman to ng mga bata and also yung mga physically fit na ating mga mommies and dads. So guys, we're back at the office from our recent Caraga trip. And oh my God guys, I hope yung video na to is enough to convince you to visit the region. Ang ganda niya, ang ganda ng kultura nila, ang sarap ng pagkain nila. Please add this to your bucket list. Please follow, like, and subscribe to the Philippine Stars YouTube channel for more videos like this.